Thanks for tuning in, guys. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do a little cosmetic upgrade to the car. Nothing too big, but something that'll make a pretty noticeable difference that I kind of like. It's to everyone's preference. Not everybody might like this style, but I do. What we're going to do today, we're going to change these lights to LED lights, including the door and maybe even the license plate lights. But we're definitely doing the interior lights to LED. I went and ordered some, and they came in today. These little LED lights. Sorry about the camera all over the place, but yeah, I got these. So let me show you what they look like. These little tiny bulbs. So yeah, we're gonna put these in, and they're pretty easy to put in. Basically, all you do is just grab this, pop it out. Don't try not to break it, but they just pop out easy. And these are the bulbs right here. Bulbs come out easy. You just replace them with the new one, like so. And that's it. You have your LED lights. I'm gonna go ahead and do all these, replace them, and let you see how they look. Alright guys, here we go with the LED lights. Look a whole lot brighter in the car. Got the lights on the door, in the front, and in the back. Got the LED light showing. So we walk around the car. Gives the car a more modern look. Looks way better than those yellow lights that's usually in the car. Also, I finally got the radio installed. It's not perfect, but I mean, it'll do until I get the 10-inch in here, which will look a whole lot better. So, but for now, I'll deal with the 7-inch. That's it for right now. Like I said, it was just a small cosmetic change to the car. So, we got the LED lights in. I'm happy with them. They look good. So, oh yeah, let me show you the back as well. And got the back. So like I said, it looks a whole lot better in here to me with the LED lights and those yellow lights. Yellow lights make it look dated. So that's it for now, you guys, and see you next time.